welcome back to my beauty channel. If you're new here, my name is Josephine and I do all kinds of beauty videos. So if you're not already subscribing, I would really recommend you to do that. Just click the button down there and hit the bell and turn on the notifications so you don't miss my future videos. And of course, like, comment, subscribe. Today we're going to unbox the Goodiebox of October. So that's the plan. And yeah, if you're interested in seeing this box, then keep on watching. Goodiebox is a beauty subscription box. You receive a box every month with around 5 products. It's very similar to Glossybox, but I prefer this box. Actually, it's much better. And yeah, let's open. Every month you receive a box with different kinds of shades, colors, and prints. So this is the box of this month. Very pretty. I like it. So you just open it up. We have a paper, and I actually think, because it's several sides, so I actually think we have a description in this. So we read that after we unboxed the box. And this is what it looks like. So I just unwrap it a bit and then I take one product at a time. The first product, Mind Sponge, cognac sponge with collagen, mushy mind. So we received a hair towel from them. I don't remember which box, but we have received products from them before. So 100% natural vegetable fiber, suitable for all skin types. So what is this? It gently exfoliates and brings natural shine. Soften the sponge in warm water for 3 to 5 minutes. Massage your face body with the sponge, either with or without cleaning soap. After use, rinse it and dry it in a cool place. So I guess you can reuse it. Let's open. That looks so weird. Okay, so okay, I don't know. Never seen that before. Interesting. Next product. Oh, we have a lip gloss, I think. Lip glaze from Sandstone. We have received a lipstick or lip gloss from the same brand earlier, and I actually think it was pretty good, but I don't know if this is my shade really, but nice to receive makeup anyway. Next product. Ooh, we have a nail polish from Emit Makeup. Fast drying, long lasting, patent formula professional brush, 11 milliliters. This is a cute shade. That's really cute. Okay, I love that, and I love that you have a long handle. That's very nice. Definitely going to use that. Is this a tweezer? Nita Beauty slanted tweezers. Okay, cute packaging. I just plucked my eyebrows, so love that. You always need tweezers, and good tweezers, when you apply lashes, when you pluck your eyebrows. Okay. And it looks very expensive. Next product. Okay, we have some chocolate. Tony's Chocolonely caramel sea salt. That's a big bar, chocolate bar. Really big. I hope it's good. And it's thick. I think this is the first time we receive anything eatable in Goodiebox. Oh, last product. La Rose Paris Mask and Stick. 75 milliliters. The packaging has some dirt on it. It's huge. What is that? Oh, it's really a stick. Okay, I don't understand what this is. We need to read about that. That's really weird. But big size, like that. So where do we have the descriptions? The tweezer retails for around $20. Full size. Yeah, just a tweezer. La Rose Renegrating Stick Mask retails for around $20. We love a really good clay mask, but not all the mess that it gives. With this stick mask, you can easily and evenly apply the mask and without getting it all over your hands. It's made of white clay, renegrates and stimulates and heals the skin. Apply on dry skin and let it sit for 5 minutes before it rinse off with water. Yeah, interesting. Definitely a new thing for me. Sandstone Scandinavia lip glaze, full size, retails for around $20. It moisturizes the lips and gives them a healthy look without getting sticky. Not my shade, but nice product. Moshi Moshi Mind, full size mind sponge, cognac sponge with collagen, retails for around $18. It exfoliates the skin. Damp the sponge in warm water for 3 to 5 minutes. Massage your face and your body with a sponge. You can add your favorite soap. After use, clean it off and let it dry. Amit Cosmetics Nail Lacquer, full size, retails for around $19. It's easy to apply with a wide brush and it dries fast. Thank goodness for that. And the best of all, it will last a long time. You nailed it. There are no description of the chocolate, so I guess that's just a extra product because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products plus the chocolate. And it says on the paper, we're back with our description paper because for a while we had to go on their website and see the descriptions there, and it was very annoying, especially for me who records and I have to, you know, it feels overly complicated. So they taken the description paper back. Oh, so it says that the box have 2 designs, and I see now it has this side and this side, so 2 different prints. Nice. Enjoy the box of the month, Team Goodiebox, the myself sewn box. Yeah, so I don't have so much to say about these products. As always, you receive, you know, different categories. We have a makeup tool, the tweezer, we have chocolate, we have a mask, we have a lip glaze, nail polish, and a cleaning sponge. So it's not just skincare or not just makeup or weird stuff. You actually receive product from different categories. So I love how they create these boxes, and you always receive a lot of full sizes, and that's really, really important. So as usual, I love the box, and I don't have a lot to say about them. As usual, I try the products out for a while and then I create a video where I talk about products from my goodie boxes. I also want to remind you to use my link in the description so you can receive a 50% off, I think, at your first goodie box. And I receive some goodie points, no money or anything, just goodie points, and eventually I can buy boxes with the goodie points. So if you use that link, you get 50% off your first box and I receive goodie points. And that's amazing because you really want to test out the box before you know, commit to it. You don't really committing because you can end the description whenever you want, but it's fun that you can test it out for a lower price, the first box. So I just want to remind you of that. And yeah, I think that's everything for this video. Very short video, I know, but I've been unboxing so many advent calendars recently, so yeah, this feels very short, just talking about 5-6 products. I usually talk about 24 products, but yeah, that's everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and of course hit the bell if you don't want to miss my future videos. See you in the next video. Bye!